Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Hyundai Sonata key fob. Use a flat tool to pry open the seam, remove the dead coin cell, and install a new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Inspect the rubber pad and plastic clips for damage, then snap the case closed firmly. Test both lock and unlock buttons and perform the simple door sequence to reprogram if needed. Start by gathering a small flathead screwdriver, a clean cloth, and a replacement CR2032 coin battery. Hold the fob with buttons down and locate the seam along the edge, then insert the screwdriver gently until the plastic gives. Work slowly to avoid breaking clips and keep parts on the cloth to prevent losing them. Replace the rubber button pad if worn and ensure the battery sits flat before snapping the case closed. After closing the fob, test each button from a few feet away to confirm signal strength and correct operation. If the remote fails, open it again to verify battery orientation and contact cleanliness, using a cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol if needed. If problems persist, try a known working battery or consult a dealer for key fob programming help, and follow any vehicle-specific steps in the owner's manual for synchronization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.